Good morning, students. Hope so everyone is fit and fine. All of you have taken out your computer books. So, students, we were with the chapter number 4, and the name of the chapter was KTurtle commands. So, in my previous class, I have explained you about backward command, that is your BW, turn right command, that is your TR, then again turn left command, that is your TL. As well as I have explained you director command, is not it? That is your DIR. So today I will explain you about center command, and you will get the center command in your page number 51. So students, I think so everyone has taken out your center command to your page number 51. So students, look at the paragraph now. Center command. The center command brings the turtle to the center of the canvas without drawing a line. Now this command helps to bring the turtle in the middle. Okay, this command helps the turtle to move towards the middle without drawing a single line. The head of the turtle points in the same direction as in the previous command. Yes, the head of the turtle will always in the front. The center command does not draw a line as it moves the center to the center of the canvas. Now here what happens is center command does not make a line because it is always in the movement towards the center. Consider the following set of command in figure 4.9. So in the figure 4.9 you will get here three center commands. You are getting here three center commands. So look at here, where you are using the center commands to your reset. Okay, then again in FW, that is your moving towards the forward direction, to your turning towards the right, means first you are going to move forward to 100 step. Then again we will move the turtle towards the right hand side, turn right to 150. In figure B, are you seeing the diagram in figure 4.9? In there, firstly, you are going to move forward 100 steps. Then you are going to move the turtle towards the right. Okay, that is your 150 steps. Then again, you see number C, the turtle is in the center, in the middle. Then you see, the first command moves the turtle to the center of the canvas with its head pointing upward. Figure 4.9. As I have said you, the turtle head is always in the front. Then you take out to your page number 52. The second and the third command moves the turtle forward by 100 steps and then moved by head by 150 degree to its right. I have explained you, okay, just now I have said you how the turtle is going to move again towards the rightward direction, again in the forward direction. The last command, 4.9, brings the turtle to the center of the canvas without drawing the line. As I said you, when the turtle is moving to the center, means at the middle of the canvas, they are not going to show any sort of line. Just the turtle is going to move in the middle. Okay, the turtle's head will be at the front side, and when it will move towards the center, there will be no sort of straight line or else vertical line, nothing. There will be no line. Clear this much? Then you come to the next one, that is your setting canvas size and color. How you are going to set the canvas size as well as how can we give a color. You can change the size and the color of the canvas. The commands are canvas size and canvas color. Yes. Now if you want to set the color of a canvas as well as the size of the canvas, firstly what you have to give the command? We have to give the command as your canvas size. Then for color you can give canvas color. The command canvas size 200 sets the canvas wide and height 200 steps. Now number that you are going to give, it depends upon you. Okay, if you want to give 100, you give 100. If you want to give 500, if you want to give 150, it totally depends upon your choice. How much you want to give the size of your canvas. Clear? Since the width and height are equal, the canvas will be a square. Now see, if you are giving canvas size as 200, then what will be? The height will be also 200, the width will be also 200. Means it is equal. Height is also equal, width is also equal. So it will appear like what? It will appear in which geometric shape? It will appear in a square geometrical shape, because the height and width of both the sides are equal. As the height and width of both the sides are equal, it will appear in the shape of your which geometric figure? It will appear in the shape of a square. Clear? Now you come to set a color. Okay, how you are going to set color in your canvas? The command canvas color 000 makes the canvas black. Now here you see, according to your computer language, there are many sorts of color. Okay, there are many sorts of color giving your values. Okay, now no need to know about the values, because in the computer itself, when you are seeing for the color, you will see in the side the values are also given. Okay, you will get it there itself. Now you need a black color, so the values will be 000. Okay. Then you see here, 0 is called the RGB value. So this 0, this particular 0 is known as your RGB value. R stands for your red, G stands for your green, and B stands for your blue. Means this particular RGB also have their significance, or you can say also have their this one. They also have their certain values depending on the color. RGB, R stands for red, green stands for, G stands for your green, and B stands for your blue. Clear? Each of them can take values from 0 to 255. A 0 for each gives the color black. Now, whenever you are taking a 0, what is the value of 0? What is the color of your 0? Black. This much you remember. Okay, the color of that particular 0 is your black. You can also set the color values by following the steps given below. Now, to set the color, there are also some other steps. Okay, you will get all total here 3 steps. See it here. Have a look. Step 1, click the tools. Firstly, we will click the tool with the help of our mouse. Then step 2, select the color picture option in the menu that opens in figure 4.7. So, in figure 4.7, you will get one picture where we will get a color picker of different colors. From there, you can select it out. Then again step 3, the color picker dialog box appears. Then you will find a color picker dialog box appears, means the coloring box appears in figure 4.10. So have a look in this picture. Okay, here you will get the color picker. Then you come to page number 53. Number A, you can move the slider for red, green and blue, and the color that is formatted by a combination of their values will appear. The RGB numbers are shown in a text box on the left. Now see, as I have said you, if you want red, give a red color. R stands for red color. If you want green, give a G, that's for green color. If you want blue, then give for B, that's your blue color. Then number B, click the paste to editor button. The command will appear in the editor pane. Now if you need to paste it, okay, so where you have to click? You have to click to the paste, okay, in the toolbar. Okay, you will get an editor button. You have to paste the option there. Then you will, whenever it is completed, okay, it is fully completed, directly you go to the close button. Their close option will be there, or you will find in the toolbar right hand side at the top, the close button is there. Directly you close it out. Clear, students, up to this much? No doubt regarding this? So today, students, I have explained you about center command and how to set canvas size and canvas color. Clear? One thing you remember, canvas size. Okay, now if you are giving canvas size a step, or else I mean to say the canvas value, okay, similar like 120, then it will appear the height and the width, as it will remain the same, it will appear as square only. Then again, if you are changing the values, okay, if you are changing the values in canvas size, again you can say it will take another figure. It depends upon your choice what type of values do you want to give. Understood? And for color you will get 3 options RGB. Okay, for your canvas color you will get 3 options RGB, which stands for your red, green and blue. And 0 will appear as your black color. This much is clear, I think so, everyone. In my next class, students, I will explain you about setting pen color and pen white. Clear? So students, how much I have explained you today, you go through your books. So students, now I am concluding my class here. Thank you to all and have a nice day ahead.